Alright, today we want to look at the best insurance stock you should invest your money in 2022 and make money online. But before I do that, I want to welcome you. If this is your first time of watching our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. And of course, this is a channel where you get a lot of information. We'll give you local and international news regarding Nigeria, America, and every other part of the world. Alright guys, so we want to look at the best insurance stock to invest in 2022. Before we do that, what is insurance stock? Insurance stocks represent companies whose job is to provide insurance for individual and businesses. One of the most obvious revenue streams for insurance company is through the selling of insurance policy to collect regular premium from the customers. Many insurance companies would make more in premiums than they would pay out as a claim, a concept called underwriting profits. Another big revenue stream for most insurance companies is the profit they received from investing the premium collected from the customers. Most insurance companies would keep their customers' premium invested in safe products such as bond in case a claim ever needs to be paid out. The money insurance company invests in the market is known as the float. As insurance companies grow, they have a bigger float, free money to invest in the market. There is a reason why billionaire investors Warren Buffett has made insurance the cornerstone of his empire at Berkshire Hathaway, as we discuss in a bit more detail next. Alright guys, so I will be giving you some insurance updates, that is at least 5 best insurance you should invest in, but I want you to also do your research to know if they are good enough so you won't put the blame on me. Alright guys, so let's start with the number one. Alright, number one, insurance. We have. Alright, before I give you the number one, let me just give you different types of insurance stock. First, we have the life insurance. This type of insurance is designed to pay a sum of money to a designated beneficiary when the insured person dies. It's a policy designed to protect loved ones with financial support in case of death. The insurance company will collect premiums over the insured person's life to pay out a certain sum in the event of death. The top 3 biggest life insurance companies in the world from the direct premium are MetLife Incorporated, Prudent Financial Incorporated, and Equitable Holdings. Another one is property and casualty insurance. This insurance writes policies that aims to provide liability protection and cover property damage. Example of this would be car insurance and home insurance. This is one of the most common type of insurance policies available. Some of these top property and casualty insurance company by net premium written includes Berkshire Hathaway, Liberty Mutual, and Travelers Group. Another insurance type of insurance we have is the health insurance. This type of insurance is designed to help cover the health care costs for the insured person. This type of policy can be purchased individually or through an employer. Many government act as health insurance providers, such as the United States with its Medicare program. Some of the biggest health insurance stock in the world include United Healthcare, Aetna, Cigna Corp, and others. There are also other type of insurance companies that are involved in specialty insurance, travel, and business insurance as well. So let's go to the best insurance stock list for the year. First, we have the Berkshire Hathaway, and of course, you know the Berkshire Hathaway is considered the largest insurance company in the world, but the business also has a lot of other interests, as it is the investment vehicle of choice for legendary investor Warren Buffett. The company holds stakes in Well-known companies such as Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America, American Express, and many more. Berkshire is also considered to be the largest financial service company in the world, as well as the eighth largest public company in the world, although this will change over time. While the company has interest in insurance and reinsurance businesses, they also operate in the utility and energy sector, as well as manufacturing and retailing. Number two is United Earth. United Earth was founded in 1977 and is now one of the largest health insurance in the United States. In 2020, revenue was more than $257 billion, with the company serving more than 75 million people from its 350,000 employees. The company also been an industry leader for decades and also a part of the Dow Jones 30 index. Perhaps more interestingly, on United Earth could be considered one of the best insurance dividend stocks, as it has increased its individual every year since 2010. While the company gave conservative guidance in early 2021, the company is still forecasting earning per share EPS, earning per share growth of 13% to 16%. Come on, guys, let's look at that 13 to 16%. That is really good. The third here is the Alice. Alice is an Europe financial service company headquartered in Munich, Germany. The company's core business is insurance and asset management, making it the fourth largest insurer in the world in 2020. Total revenue exceeds 140 billion euros. The company serves more than 100 million customers in more than 70 countries, providing property and casualty insurance, health and life insurance, and business insurance. They also have an asset management division. In early 2001, the German insurance company announced that it's expecting higher operating profits for the year, even though they reported a weak earnings report for 2020. The company is also a contender for one of the best insurance dividend stock, as it is currently pays €9.60 per share. That is handsome. So number 4 here we have Prudent PLC. Prudent is a British-based multinational insurance company that is headquartered in London, England. The company was founded in 1848 and recorded total revenue of more than $55 billion in 2020. Prudent has multiple listings of its shares, which trade on the London Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and New York Stock Exchange. Many European insurers are currently going through a re-rating as dividend payments normalize after the coronavirus pandemic. Many investment banks, such as Deutsche Bank, believe there is much further to go in the recovery of the sector. Prudential provides an interesting focus for investors, as the company's primary market is now in Asia, but also serves UK customers and retirees in the United States. Bullish forecast for the Asia company could attract more investors to Prudential. And number 5 we're going to be looking at is Anthem. Anthem is the largest for-profit managed healthcare company in the United States and also the 5th largest insurer in the world based on market capitalization. Yearly revenue exceeds $100 billion as the company serves more than 40 million members. The company has made some big changes in recent months, which has attracted interest from many large institutional investors. Anthem overruled its leadership with a new chief health officer, executive vice president, and chief legal officer. It also expanded its operations by acquiring Innovacare Health LP. Revenue, net income, and earnings per share have all been growing over the past 3 years, suggesting the company is moving in the right direction. Alright guys, we have given you a brief update on the best insurance stock to invest your money in and make money online in 2022. So please just go and do your research and get more update on that. Thanks. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?